This is Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on a 2015 Subaru WRX. First we're going to remove the airbox here. Take these clips out. Here you got a 10mm down here. $10mm right here. You got a clip for the mass airflow. Pull that off. Okay, so I'm actually going to remove this bracket, give me a little bit more room. Okay, we got a hose clamp down there I got to get on. Now with the airbox, I'm able to move it out of the way. Okay, it's going to be a number 8. There we go. And then remove your airbox. Next, we're going to remove this ECU, pull it up out of the way so we have a little bit more room. There's two 10mm right there that we're going to get off. And then this bolt right here needs to be removed. It's kind of holding in the ECU. Okay, now you just push it forward and lift up. And our ECU is out of the way. Okay, and these are the coil packs. We have the 2 right here. All right, so we're gonna remove these connectors. You're gonna push down on this spring clip. Okay, just push it down. And there you go. It should come off the rest of the way. Do that to the next one. Okay, this plug's a little tough to get off. I think I'm actually just gonna leave that on. These are 10mm bolts. Pull the coil out. Just pull straight out. For these spark plugs, we're going to use a 14mm deep 12-point DIN socket. You could still use a regular 14 socket if you don't have something like this. And this one, it definitely does help to have that swivel. We're going to be using the NGK laser iridium spark plugs, ILK-AR8H6. They're the exact same ones that came out of the engine. pop the coil back in. Snug the 10 down. Just gonna plug it in first, make it easy. Crap. The ECU back in. Snug the 10s down. And you're gonna place your airbox back in. You get your bracket on. Plug in your mass airflow. Okay, and then pop in your air duct. Okay, for this side, we're going to remove the battery to give us some space to work in here. It's a 10. Gonna try to do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna remove this plug and then leave this plug on connected to that coil. Okay, 10 millimeter, pull your first coil out. This one's in there a little bit tighter, not a lot of room. Okay, and tighten them up. And you're gonna pop your coil back on. Pop your other coil back in. Actually, connect it first to make it easier. Put your battery tray back in. Battery. And tighten the battery hold down. Put your battery cables back on. All right, and we're all done. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching. You're gonna use...
Hold on. I wasn't even recording. Cut.